In this video series, we're going to be checking out some of the key features of a deck. We are going to use the deck design that we have already made in the Design and Buy Deck program online to showcase the joist spacing and how to build your frame for a picture frame border. You can see here that the joists are set at 12-inch on center. We recommend 12-inch on center spacing with UltraDeck. You'll want to make sure the frame is level before continuing. You can also see that the frame accommodates our single picture frame border. On the left and right sides, it has additional blocking, so you'll be able to fasten the outer border boards and support the boards running parallel with the joists. Next, we'd like to point out that a much larger deck build will utilize additional nailers at butt joints. If you have two board lengths to cover the surface, you'll have to use an additional nailer, which means a joist on each side of your original joist so that you can use a T-clip on each side of your plank at that joist connection. This will keep your board ends fastened properly. Lastly, we'll take a look at how your frame will accommodate for railings. For best results, whether you secure the 4x4 to the frame or surface mount, you'll want to add framing around the 4x4s to keep your post in place and give it some structure. Check out all the helpful tips and information we have on UltraDeck.com.